Number 4. Mossberg 500, $500. The Mossberg 500 is a shotgun that has earned its place in the hearts of hunters, shooters, and survivalists alike. This American-made shotgun is a workhorse that is reliable, durable, and versatile. The Mossberg 500 has been around for over 50 years and has established itself as a go-to weapon for those who demand the best. The Mossberg 500 is a pump-action shotgun that is available in a variety of configurations, including field, tactical, and home defense modes. It is chambered in 12-gauge, 20-gauge, and 410 bore, making it a versatile weapon that can handle a wide range of situations. The shotgun features a 5+1 capacity, which can be extended with aftermarket parts to hold more rounds. One of the standout features of the Mossberg 500 is its ruggedness. This shotgun is built to withstand harsh environments and tough conditions, making it a favorite of hunters and survivalists. It is also incredibly reliable, with a pump action that has been tested and proven time and time again. The Mossberg 500 is a weapon that you can trust to perform when you need it the most. Another great feature of the Mossberg 500 is its ease of use. The shotgun is easy to operate, with intuitive controls that are easy to understand even for those who are new to firearms. The shotgun also has a wide range of accessories available, from different stocks and barrels to sights and slings, making it a customizable weapon that can be tailored to your needs. In terms of price, the Mossberg 500 is a shotgun that is affordable for most people. With an estimated price range of $400 to $500, it is a shotgun that won't break the bank. It is a great value for the money, considering its reliability, durability, and versatility. The Mossberg 500 is a shotgun that is beloved by hunters, shooters, and survivalists alike. It is a reliable, durable, and versatile weapon that can handle a wide range of situations. Its ruggedness and ease of use make it a favorite of those who demand the best, and its affordability makes it accessible to a wide range of people. Number 3. Remington 870, $600. The Remington 870 is a shotgun that has been a staple in the world of firearms for over 60 years. It is a weapon that is trusted by hunters, law enforcement officers, and military personnel all over the world. The Remington 870 is a pump-action shotgun that is built to last, and its reputation as a reliable and versatile weapon has made it a favorite of shooters everywhere. The Remington 870 is a weapon that is known for its durability. It is built to withstand the rigors of heavy use, making it a favorite of hunters who demand the best. It is also incredibly versatile, with a wide range of configurations available, including hunting, tactical, and home defense models. The shotgun is chambered in 12-gauge, 20-gauge, and 410 bore, making it a weapon that can handle a variety of situations. The Remington 870 is a shotgun that stands out for its smooth pump action, which has been honed over decades of use. This feature makes the shotgun incredibly easy to operate, and it has been a favorite of hunters and law enforcement officers alike. Additionally, the shotgun is highly customizable, with a wide range of accessories including different stocks, barrels, and sights, allowing users to tailor the weapon to their specific needs. Another key feature of the Remington 870 is its unwavering reliability. Built to perform in high-stress situations, this shotgun has become a go-to weapon for military personnel and law enforcement officers. Its reputation as a dependable weapon has stood the test of time, and the shotgun's simple disassembly and cleaning procedures make it easy to maintain and keep in top condition. Despite its high-quality construction and reputation for dependability, the Remington 870 is an accessible option for most people. Priced at an estimated range of $400 to $600, the shotgun is a great value for the money, offering a high-quality weapon that won't break the bank. The Remington 870 is a shotgun that is beloved by hunters, law enforcement officers, and military personnel all over the world. It is a reliable, durable, and versatile weapon that can handle a wide range of situations. Number 2. Winchester SXP, $500. Winchester has long been synonymous with quality firearms, and the Winchester SXP is no exception. This pump-action shotgun is a modern interpretation of a classic design, and it is quickly becoming a favorite of hunters and shooters all over the world. The Winchester SXP is available in both 20 and 12 gauge and features a 4-round tubular mag. The gun comes in a variety of configurations, with 26 and 28-inch barrels being the most common. The shotgun is equipped with screw-in Winchester chokes that are swappable with a flat choke wrench, making it highly customizable for different shooting scenarios. The SXP features standard polymer furniture that is durable and weather-resistant, making it a great choice for hunting in wet conditions. The controls on the Winchester SXP are well designed and easy to operate. The crossbolt safety is located at the front of the trigger guard and is easily reachable by extending the trigger finger. The slide release is located at the back of the trigger guard, in the same location as the one found on a Mossberg 500, making it easy to actuate. The shotgun weighs around 7 pounds, depending on the barrel and chamber length selected, and its rotating bolt design gives it a strong action that is both smooth and reliable. One of the standout features of the Winchester SXP is its inertia-assisted pump action. This feature makes the loading sequence auto and feels great in the hand, making it easy and quick to operate. Additionally, the rotating bolt gives the SXP an incredibly smooth action that is much smoother than other popular pump action offerings from Mossberg and Remington. This smooth action, combined with the inertia assist feature, makes the SXP a joy to use in the field. Another great feature of the Winchester SXP is its reliability. The rotating bolt design helps to eliminate the most common malfunctions encountered with traditional pump-action shotguns, such as failures to extract, which typically occur with cheaper ammunition. While it is difficult to prove in testing, the rotating bolt of the SXP should help eliminate these rare malfunctions due to the camming action of the rotation. In testing, no malfunctions were experienced with the SXP. One potential downside of the SXP is the follower. Like many shotguns, the shell lifter sits in front of the mag tube with a closed action, which can be an annoyance when loading the firearm and may potentially pinch the shooter's fingers when wearing gloves. However, this is a minor issue that is outweighed by the shotgun's many positive features. Another minor downside is the location of the safety. The crossbolt safety on the Winchester SXP is located at the front of the trigger guard instead of the rear, which can make it harder to actuate from a firing grip. A crossbolt safety at the rear of the trigger guard sits better under the finger and is easier to verify the condition of the firearm kinesthetically without having to move about to visually inspect the gun. Number 1. Benelli Supernova, $800. Benelli is a brand that is well known for its high-quality semi-auto shotguns. However, they have ventured into the world of pump-action shotguns with their Supernova, which stands out among the crowded market of pump-action shotguns. One of the most appealing features of the Benelli Supernova is its price. Unlike many of Benelli's other shotguns, the Supernova is priced competitively with Remington and Mossberg shotguns. This means that you can get a high-quality shotgun without breaking the bank. The Supernova has a compact design with an 18.5-inch barrel, which is the standard length for tactical 12-gauge shotguns. While a shorter barrel may be preferred, anything less than 18 inches requires an NFA stamp. The gun's overall length is 39.75 inches and it weighs 7.6 pounds. The length of pull is a bit long at 14.75 inches, which may be uncomfortable for some shooters. The shotgun has a 4-round mag tube that is initially plugged to only allow 2 rounds to be loaded, which is common in sporting guns. However, it is easy to remove the plug and add a magazine extension for additional rounds. The Supernova also features ghost ring sights, which are superior to traditional bead sights. The top of the receiver is drilled and tapped for an optics rail or mount, making it optics ready. The Supernova Tactical is designed for home defense, but can still be used as a hunting gun. The gun's ergonomic design provides a comfortable shooting experience with a massive trigger guard, reversible safety, and intuitive pump release. The gun also has a mag cutoff that allows for quick slug select drills. The Supernova's Comfortech stock features chevrons that flex and cushion to reduce recoil and enhance control, making it easier to control the gun during rapid firing. The pump features texturing and a shape that makes it easy to grip, even when wearing gloves. The Benelli Supernova has a long and well-textured pump that offers a secure grip and control while mitigating recoil. The pump design also allows for a closer grip to the receiver, reducing weight on the shoulders and making for a more comfortable experience. The one-piece construction receiver and stock of the earlier Nova shotgun did not allow for stock customization, but the Supernova perfected this aspect by offering stock customization options. The Benelli Supernova shotgun allows for customization of stocks, and its large trigger guard accommodates gloved hands. The included Comfortech stock design reduces recoil, and the shotgun comes with a shim kit for adjusting drop and cast. What sets the Supernova apart from other shotguns on the market is its polymer receiver, making it the only pump-action shotgun with a polymer receiver. Overall, the Benelli Supernova is an effective and comfortable to shoot option for those looking for a shotgun for both home defense and hunting. With a reasonable price tag, it offers great value for the money. While the length of pull may be a bit long for some shooters, the gun's other features make up for it. That's all for this video, folks. See you next time.